Mwiri wa mundurume ukurikanite ta Samuel Njoroge Mwangi kuma Mai Mahiu nonekanite uragitwo na akagonyo maitho mwena wa Machakos. Samuel uria ni ithe wa ciana igiri ni ati kuri kiumia gia tariki 4 mweri uyu ni ahurirwo thimu mathaini ma hwaini ni andu mendaga amatware thibitari kuona aruta wira wa taxi thutha wa kuma ndaigana kuhurira mutumia wake thimu kuga ni me amakinyirie thibitari-ini ona kana kuria ari. Kumania na hau thimu yake ikihorio na riu aracoka kuoneka ari murage. Ndeto ya kieherera ikorwo igitukinyira kwa ndagika ino ni ati mwiri wa mundurume ukurikanite ta Samuel Njoroge Mwangi kuma Mai Mahiu ni wonekanite uragitwo na akagonyo maitho mwena wa Machakos. Samuel uria ni ithe wa ciana igiri ni ati kuri kiumia gia tariki 4 mweri uyu ni ahurirwo thimu mathaini ma hwaini ni andu mendaga amatware thibitari kuona araruta wira wa taxi thutha wa kuma ndaigana kuhurira mutumia wake thimu kuga ni amakinyirie thibitari-ini ona kana kuria ari kumania na hau thimu yake ikihorio na riu aracoka kuoneka ari murage. Akenya mwena wa comment section makorwo makiugo hari ta uyu akorwo akiugo Magi Alvin Saka DCA wachangamke vile wameshughulikia ile ya MP na kaka John akawapole sana to the family wenye walifanya hivyo wasidhani wako na bahati, malipo ni hapa tu duniani. God will not give them peace. Na Mary Njoroge aka I'm wondering how did they started. I'm very sure brother uliwatembeleza tu, uliwapeleka to leave you with your soft voice Mwangi wetu, as I used to call you. I'm sure you are killer right now, your spirit is hunting them. Na modo wetu hanamati akawa very sad. My sincere condolences to the family. Na Jane Ashri akawa close friends hiyo gari waliiba will haunt their whole family. Na Saimo wa Katagaka to those who killed him, may they lack peace and the tears their children, wife, his friends, family members and the surrounding people from where he is staying affect those who killed him. Na modogo to anwangu akawa may he so rest in peace with the angels in heaven. Condolences to the whole family, and whoever did that, may he never get peace. May Samuel blood hunt them wherever they are or wherever they are hiding. It's so much painful, such a young soul leaving those cute kids and wife without a word of goodbye. Shine on your way, Samuel. Na Catherine Maina akauga may his soul never rest until they are haunted. Akiwui, that blood will never give them peace in life. My condolences to the family. And Amasima Shola akau God will judge the wicked. Na Esther Karanja ikia muhoake na kukatwa hoya aria marekire giko kiu kina magigi maronyito ni githagathago matikona thayo iyo thakame iture imariragira. Rest in peace bro. And I don't shake Rin Keromo akauga this is so sad, may he rest in peace. Condolences to the family, it's well. And Melissa May akauga cheni pesa za usiku, angemwambia atafute taxi ingine. Na po Jane Wanja akapole to the family and may he so rest in peace. Detoria ikoro igitukinyira kwa ndagika ino ni ati mwiri wa mundurume ukurikanite ta Samuel Njoroge Mwangi kuma Mai Mahiu nonekanite uragitwo na akagonyo maitho mwena wa Machakos. Samuel uria ni ithe wa ciana igiri ni ati uri kiumia gia tariki 4 mweri uyu ni ahurirwo thimu mathaini ma hwaini ni andu mendaga amatware thibitari kuona araruta wira wa taxi thutha wa kuma ndaigana kuhurira mutumia wake thimu kuga ni amakinyirie thibitari-ini ona kana kuria ari. Kumania na hau thimu yake ikihorio na riu aracoka kuoneka ari murage. Ni ndeto ikiri na kieha kiingi muno makiria kuona ati mundurume ucio ni agikorwo akiuragwo uria wakiri dereva wa taxi mwena ucio wa Machakos uria agikorwo agitwo ni andu akorwo akimatwara thibitari. Ndagikoragwo akimenya kana ici ciakiri kimaramari iria ciakiri cikimurage. Guku kwa Mwangi wa Mohoro ni no nguhe na gitio kinene witikire tafadhali ukogi subscribe thini wa channel ino itu na ndukarigane gukogi turn on ka notification bell on getho kamukagira mohoro kirwa mbere inde ciothe ria twagikorwo tuyikira maria maraikorwo magikunuka guku thini wa nenda ici citu cio kinyaniria.